Hey everybody, coming to you with another video. Key and Mini Me. Hold up. Lip swatching TV.
Dang, we was never this high.
Maybe not, but
no, we're not.
Oh, the lights. We are high because I can touch the lights.
Like we used to be like this.
No, come on. Girl, we moving on up in the world today. Okay? We move on up to the deluxe apartment in the sky. Yeah. I cannot clap and do that song.
I don't have lashes, so just disclaimer.
Be you, boo. Be
I am.
you.
I'm just saying.
I'm really feeling myself, y'all, and I'm feeling like a superhero. Actually, Wonder Woman to be exact. I feel like turning around and spinning around. If you wasn't so close, I would do it. Well, give me twerk. I'll twerk.
No.
I'll twerk.
Never.
You electric slide.
You ain't twerking.
I'm twerking, girl. But these are their foil lip glosses. This is the whole collection. I think it's like 10 of them, guys. Yes, 10 of them. So these are the foil lip glosses. And then these are the showstoppers. So those right there, I will say that I've tested one out just for Snap. Y'all, Snap does get a lot of love, but I still love y'all too, okay? But I tested these out on Snow. I tested one of them out on Snap, and they definitely dry matte. But we're gonna show it to you today, and I just got through filming a video. I just noticed that I have on lipstick per the usual. Whenever we start a video, I always have lipstick on. But I just got through filming, and I did my favorites video. You guys haven't done one in a long time. Before we get started, I do want to let y'all know that Mini Me is on Instagram. She has been on this whole little confidence journey, and I'm gonna let her tell you a little bit about, you know, just a tad bit about her journey, because this is going to be a long video, as well as, you know, what she does on Instagram, to give you guys little excerpts about like her journey.
I'll just say last year I grew up. So last year I grew up, and I just decided that I would share some of the little nuggets that I've learned through the whole process, and things people shared with me as well.
How old are you though?
I am 21.
Okay, that's my baby.
So every Tuesday I post quotes just to encourage others, because those things help me get through it. So why not help others? And I feel that's the best way to do it. So be on the lookout. They're titled A Monet Speaks.
We're going to start with these foil glasses. And listen, you have your own wipes. Don't be judging me on mine. Here you go.
That's not gonna stop me from talking about how you waste yours.
Do you, boo? Do you? I just want to let you know that Makeup Geek does have a spring. Well, I keep calling it a spring bundle. Listen, I'm gonna put it in the description box. But it comes with shadows. It comes with a showstopper lippy. It comes with an iconic lippy, which we have lip swatches on those. And it also comes with a plush matte lippy, which we have lip swatches on those. And it comes, I believe it comes with the palette. But I just wanted to share that because I did receive that too. And now we're moving on to the swatches. This right here is VIP.
And this is vinyl. What is better when it's in my collection? Because then I don't have to ask for it.
You don't always ask.
That's true. Not true.
You see? Out of the heart, the mouth speaks. This is Set List.
And this is Groupie. Yeah.
You don't like the name. The color is gorgeous on you. What you talking about? What you talking about, Willis?
I'm not a pink.
You're not a pink, but that's like a little bit of purple. Oh my goodness.
No, that
looks good with my hair.
Please don't get mad.
No, Asia, it's a gloss.
Oh yeah, you did say that.
I did. This right here is acoustic.
And this is mixtape.
You look good to me. Ow, ow. I don't remember who sung that, but I know somebody out there gonna remember that.
What's the color that's like this in Sephora, Mama?
I think it's like purple polish or something, but it dries matte.
Yes, I know it dries matte, but it's not this color, but it's in the family.
They related? They're cousins or sisters?
They're fraternal twins.
Matter of fact, this is what you need right now, a drum roll, because that is what this is right now. Or boom. That's what you need.
That was a good one.
This is drum roll. It literally is drum roll.
Backstage.
This right here is Replay.
And this is I forgot the song. Anyway, this is Headliner, but it's a song that I forgot the song. I can't even think.
Now we are going to move on to the showstoppers. Now, one thing I love about the showstoppers, as I talk with like half of my lipstick on and half off, I love them because they are names of dances, y'all. They are like, it's just so clever. This like, oh my gosh, this is like the perfect nude for me, and I'm very, very happy about it. I'm gonna tell you in a minute. Just wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. You like it? Let me see, because I mean, it's okay.
I have this faint smell and it smells so good.
She's having a moment. Ma'am, we gotta move on. So this shade is Waltz.
You know how to do waltz?
Boom, bum, 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 bum. It's just a two-step, really. It's just a low-key two-step.
This is quick step.
Oh my gosh, that was cute.
With these, like, you can give it like a light and then make it brighter up there, so it's like you can wear a liner, but you don't have to. But you don't have to wear a liner because you can go real faint and then make it brighter, so it'll be an ombre, and you don't have to wear a liner at all.
You better teach me.
I just figured that out.
Tell us, girl. Tell us. This shade is Foxtrot,
and this is Curtsy.
I don't think these are made for you to be able to put a whole bunch on for opacity, because it's supposed to give you like a stain, you know? But you can build it if you need to. You don't know the country dance do-si-do?
No.
Yeah. Why your lip shaking? No.
I don't know. You know, with that hair and that lipstick and your eyelashes and stuff, you look like you could be in a comic.
Because I'm Wonder Woman. This is Jitterbug.
I like the Jitterbug. This is Doocy-Doo.
It is not do-si-do.
Do-si-do.
Yes.
That's what I meant, but...
Grab your partner, do-si-do. Oh, I got it anyway. Do you know when people sing, they be chewing, they be like, hey, I love. You know them old movies? They do that. They chew. This one is what I was waiting for. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 3, 4, cha-cha-cha. This is called cha-cha.
And this is Arabesque, right?
I think it's Arabesque, but I don't know that yet.
I don't know.
I got it because it was darker, actually.
Shade. Where's the tree?
Right, that's what I was thinking.
The smell made me think of ice cream, but I think it's orange sherbet.
You know what?
It reminds me of ice cream.
You're right. This one is Mambo. You lost an earring in battle. It's okay. We will say that. One of her earrings fell out so that y'all know, okay? Now, when we do the thumbnail, you got to turn the other way.
Anyway,
Mambo.
I'm going to talk like this, okay? This one is Bunny Hop. I like the Bunny Hop.
That's cute. I don't know the Bunny Hop. This one is called Tango.
And this one is called Salsa.
Okay, no, that goes. That totally goes. It's so cute that we tried on like tango and salsa. They're kind of similar. Well, I just caught it right now. It's okay. I still caught it. Better late than never. Don't fall out the chair.
Trust me.
Because I'm definitely laughing. This is Flamenco.
Oh, that makes sense. This is the Charleston. Well, it's Charleston, but it's called the Charleston.
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
I wanted that.
This is grapevine. It's really like grapes, guys. This is so cute.
Electric slide.
I think I forgot to kick. Those of y'all that do videos, y'all know the struggle. The battery just died and had to like reset everything. So I hope we're kind of close to where we were. Twerk, 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 twerk. Cut it out. Open your eyes. Asia. This is twerk. What you got?
Moonwalk.
This is pretty. Shout out to MJ. Moonwalk. So thanks so much for watching this video, you guys. We hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget the thumbs. You won't leave me hanging like that, girl. You won't leave me hanging like that, girl. Why you leave me hanging? Why you leave me hanging? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Ah! All I do is win, win, win no matter what. No, but anyway, we're having a moment. It's okay. It's all good.
All I do is
win, win, win no matter what. Picky, 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 winning, score, winning. I don't know. So anyway, that is it, you guys. We love you so much. Have an awesome, blessed day. And we will see you when? And when will we see them? When will we see the people?
In the next video.
No, yeah, but no.
Sooner than you.
That's right. Bye. You didn't even do the bye.
Key beauty, confidence is key. You know what I mean. A woman feels good when she's looking pretty. I don't need no Benz, Lexus, or a Range Rover. Just give your girl a bomb, CK Beauty makeover. Confidence is key, ladies, you know what I mean. Or maybe her eyeshadow and mascara will help you see. Check out her foundation and the blush on her cheek. Yeah, we ain't playing games, it's the CK Beauty. Yeah, CK Beauty.